Our electromechanical universal testing machine adopts 4-column double screw structure, specially equipped with a hydraulic wedge grips for wide range of tensile application. These grips clamp onto the specimen in the same position, test after test, to minimize the testing errors. Isolated oil source allows to adjustable pressure for testing a variety of materials. Connect the oil pipe of hydraulic grips. Connect the data transmission cable. Pull up the main power switch. Twist up the emergency stop button for hydraulic grips. Twist up the emergency stop button and turn on the power of machine. Put the sample onto lower fixture and clamp. Adjust the middle beam with hand control box to proper position. Clamp sample on the upper fixture. Open the software and start the test. Sample break and test will stop automatically. Remove the broken sample. Export the testing report and print out.